Many who live here call it paradise. We call it Eagle Crest Resort. Overlooking Oregon's stunning high desert country, Eagle Crest has become home for those who value the great outdoors and the benefits of an active lifestyle. With 3 golf courses, multiple tennis courts, swimming pools, and exercise facilities, there's little excuse for not getting out to enjoy Central Oregon's celebrated long summers. Nearby lakes, rivers, and mountains provide adventure throughout the seasons. Hiking, fishing, river rafting, and world-class skiing are within easy reach. Eagle Crest is also a place to kick back and recharge. Whether your idea of recreation involves golf clubs, a fishing pool, or an afternoon with a good book, you may just find the home you're looking for at Eagle Crest Resort.